Welcome back to One Love's Kitchen, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in this Caribbean supermarket where we're gonna get all our Jamaican stuff, the good stuff. Then when we miss out pan, yes, then the right ear sauce. So just stick through and see what's going on in this supermarket, guys. May I tell you everything from Jamaica that year. So straight from flash out to saltfish to salt mackerel. What may I tell you now? Just see and look what's going on. Four of that. Yeah. So these are all the crackers that they have. So you see cream crackers, everything. Yes, they have everything in here. Guys, this reminds me so much of Jamaica. It's like literally we're in Jamaica. So yeah, if you're missing out and you're in the Chicago area, go to Rogers Park Food Market. You'll get everything there. It's vanilla for your baking. Yes, the real coconut one. So see, we have green plantain, rye plantain, banana, yam, sweet potato. This is what? Cocoa. Yes, everything is here. Yellow yam. Rico. Oh. Yellow yam, guys. Yes, real yellow yam. Some not good. So different. Huh? Oh, no, we're talking about. Huh? Oh, we have oats, guys. Lasco. The good old Lasco. Guess what we have? Cock soup. Grace cock soup. No, sir. Huh? Yes, guys. Yes. Guys, these are the festivals we normally use. The good up festivals. Yes, and they have different brands. So yeah, they have a lot of stuff. Yeah, they even have sorrel, but we're not taking these today. I think, yeah, they have sorrel. So see, they have sorrel, dried sorrel. Alrighty, guys, so they have like a lot of stuff here also. This is what? Turkey drumstick, turkey wings. They have like a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff. Hello, what's up?
She good?
Yeah, mom, we good. Rico, yours is?
No. I got the money. You think I can? Yeah, do it too, brother. Pick up one over here, bro. Alright, I'll go, bro.
Nothing mango sweet, but Asian mango.
Yeah.
It's an Asian mango. Yeah, better try. Huh? Yeah. Come on.
You got top third.
Guys, we have tin mackerel, Brunswick sardine, and Grace mackerel. But we only eat this one. All right, we have to just take on one side. We're growing with saltfish in there. You did take up yam?
No, we'll put the other piece. So look at what's the
All right, we're growing nice saltfish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Crazy Dan, representing the One Love Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell with a real Jamaican style. Yeah, like, share, subscribe to One Love Kitchen. One Love family will teach you guys how to cook rice and chicken. Click the bell icon and get notified. One Love in the kitchen. Link up with the family and all the vibes. Liquor a bit like prime time rhythm. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel.
We're really getting a lot of products here that we missed out on. Even you see I show you the bami, the saltfish, the salt mackerel, the pig steel, the ting, the tropical rhythms. We're getting a lot of stuff. We just like getting a lot of stuff. Even here you see we have Suppergen, Irish mash, peanut flavor Suppergen, Vitamin, Baba Roots. Come on now, guys. This is the spot. This is the ideal spot. This is the real Jamaica top spot where you get all your Jamaican products and produce that you've been missing. So you're not missing out on anything, guys. This was a good day. And I also got some oxtail and some goat meat because I'm gonna curry some goat meat again, because you know me, I like my curry like that. And of course you can come to a Jamaican supermarket and don't pick up some oxtail. So yes, I'll be doing some oxtail someday, and then another day I'll be doing some curry goat whenever. But I'm just trying to grab everything that I'm seeing here and make the best of it. Hubby's on the other side picking up more stuff, because I'm telling you, we're all over the place. We're all excited, so we are all just grabbing what we're seeing. So I think he's on the other side. We're just gonna go and see what's popping now, because yes, we're gonna grab. We're not gonna stop grabbing. We're gonna take everything off the shelf. We clear the shelf like a tsunami. We clear the shelf, guys. Everything was awesome. I can't believe I got my tough crackers. Look at our cart. Our cart has everything. And we're still shopping. You know, we're not finished. We're still shopping around and looking if we see anything more that we like, or, you know, that we used to and we want to get it. So we're just going to shop around and see anything more that we like. But I'm definitely keeping you up in the loop of all what we're picking up on, so we're not going to miss out on any and anything at all. So you'll be in it with us, thick and thin, right through. And as you can see, they set it up like, you know, like the real Jamaican market. Let's see, you have chocho. Come on, guys, you have a chocho over there, so that's in case you want to make your soup. But I'm not a fan of chocho, so, you know, I'm just gonna leave that one by itself. I don't like chocho like that, but it is what it is. But yes, it was a productive day. I ain't gonna lie. We took a lot of stuff up, but we even left some because, you know, not everything we use. I tried some of this ginger biscuit, and it didn't really have that ginger flavor, because you know the one back home, when you eat it you taste the real ginger in your throat. No, I didn't get it from this. Ginger taste, it burns the back of your throat. And here we have the Shirley biscuit, also the gray sausage, and everything is here. Everything is right here. Everything is. It was a productive day, and I'm really happy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video you'll get notified. Remember to share the channel, like the channel, and love up the channel. Here we're getting some bun, because of course we're gonna get cheese for that, because we have to eat butter and cheese, because everybody knows in Jamaica, if it's not patty and cocoa bread, it's bun and cheese. So yeah, we can't leave out the bun and cheese. So we stop at another supermarket just to get some aloe vera, and there you see coconuts and a lot of stuff. So it's like we're not missing out. We have it all. We have our little Jamaican stuff. So we're still thankful for that. So we're just gonna get the cheese and whatever we were missing out earlier. Chicken foot. Look at that. Good chicken foot when we can't stop eat. I love my chicken foot, guys. So we went ahead and we grabbed the cheese and a little more stuff, because remember we grabbed the buns earlier, so of course we're gonna have to grab the cheese. So we're just gonna walk around and see if there's anything more that we wanted to get. Yeah, and basically that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the channel. Until next time, have a blessed one.